Greetings, my name is Keisha and I'm coming to you from South Florida, Zone 11. Today it's a little cloudy out here. It just finished raining and I want to come in and plant these mint plants that I purchased from Trader Joe's.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine warming our souls, feeling peaceful and fine.
I'm going to put one in this bed right here, and I'm going to put one in this bed over here, maybe, or maybe the one in the back. I'm not quite sure yet. Also, my black bean cover crop is doing amazing. So I planted these out about 3 days ago. As I told you, when I planted these particular ones in this bed, they had already started to sprout. They started to germinate, excuse me. So yeah, they had sprouts on them. So now they are out here. They are popping up beautifully. The little bean pods are still connected on some of them. I'll pull it off so you can see the little black bean cover there. I'm going ahead and put these down here in this bed. So these came from Trader Joe's. I'm going to pop these out of the pot like this. And I'm going to just separate them. So if you have a plant that has 2 or more inside of it, you can actually, there you go, 2 or more inside of it. You can actually, if you want to, you can tease the bottom and loosen them. You don't have to. You just take them apart. As long as both sets have roots, just loosen it up. Okay, your plants will make it. Okay, so my bed right here already has, see that? My bed here has already been amended with compost, so I'm not going to add more compost to it. It just rained, so I don't have to worry about watering anything in. I'll put it right here in the center. Mint spreads. So hopefully all these bean plants around here help kind of keep it under control. But I love mint, so if this particular thing spreads, that's fine with me. And I have this one in my hand right here. I'm not going to plant mint in this particular bed over here. Instead, let me put this over here for now. I dropped it. I'm going to plant, where's my, oh, right here. I have a piece of this left. It's one more of this like oregano type plant I got from a co-worker. I'm going to plant this right here on the edge of this bed. Just like that. Same thing. This bed's already been composted. It has black beans in it as well, growing very well. The back of this bed is still bare. I think you know what? It's not bare. Whew, why is that moving like that? Something's in there. Probably a lizard. I don't like lizards, but y'all saw that move, right? So I put the oregano in there. Oreganos and your mint, they all help to keep away some of your pests. That's what they're supposed to do, whether it's the smell of the plant or whatever. Oh, this is gone. Look at that. Y'all see that? This is like I check your plants. Oh my goodness. This is a pepper plant. I don't think it's gonna make it now, for real. Oh my gosh. It is covered. It is covered. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. If I leave it, maybe it can just be a trap crop for my other plants. Peppers have not done well for me. I think it's just the heat that we have going on right now, and our humidity just doesn't fare well for peppers for us actually during the heat of the summer. So, but yeah, so herbs do help with plants and with pests. Okay. This particular plant right here. I'm trying to bring it up. I can sort this a little bit. I think it's too deep in there. Okay. Now, moving some of these plants around in this bed, I don't know how well it's going to actually do. Some of them are going to make it, some of them won't. But the beds themselves are better than what I had before, so I'm okay with that. I'm going to plant these other, I have 2 more mint plants left. I'm going to plant these mint plants back here in the bed that I have right here. So I'm going to go on the other side of this bed, and I am going to plant them right back there. It fell on this bed. Yep, sure did. So I'm gonna have to put down, I did not mesh cover this particular bed, and there's something definitely digging down in there. I'm gonna plant this mint actually on this side, making a mess. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plant down here in this bed, right here. Okay, I'm gonna plant like right here. And put one mint plant here. Okay, I'm gonna put one mint plant actually right there inside of that hole. Okay, so I'm going to have to come back in this bed at some point, and I'm going to have to put down some chicken wire or something in here. I have some more hard cloth somewhere. I gotta put down some hard cloth in here to help keep things from digging down in my soil. I don't want anything digging down in here. I had that problem in my other bed really bad, and things were getting eaten on me all the time. I don't want that to happen again. These tomato plants, we got a lot of rain recently. They need to be taken out. So I'll be taking these out very soon. And my marigold back here though is doing really good. So I think overall, like, it's going good. Like, I got my mint in here. This bed is doing great. This is one of the beds that I redid in one of my videos earlier this summer or late in the spring. Can't remember. No, it was the summertime, and I redid this bed. I took everything out and started pretty much from scratch. These stayed. It's been here for a long time, and it's time for them to go. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to our channel. I keep dropping this. Liking our videos and sharing them. Thank you so much. Have a great day.